Hi everyone. So just a quick improvement in regard to our check sheets and daily checks. So this is an example of one of our check sheets that we currently use. So we have now simplified this check. We have created a GembaDoc, which is just a weekly truck cam checklist. So we've got 6 stages that the operator or 6 areas operators must check on a weekly basis. And instead of paperwork, we have then just created a weekly truck cam checklist matrix. So we have our operator who is in charge of doing the daily check, the weekly check. And then we will have, first of all, that they're signed off against this check sheet. And then we will have week by week where they can then go in and just confirm that the check has passed, failed, or whatever the reason may be, finish and sign. So we're keeping everything digital. It's tying in with all our other day-to-day SOPs and training records. As you can see, we have also color-coded it. So our weekly or daily checks is going to be in orange, our health and safety is green, and our general SOPs is white. Single point lessons is red, so it's good visibility. So we have reduced a lot of motion and a lot of time printing off and filing off sheets. Thank you.